Hi guys, how are you today? How to install SolidWorks software? We'll learn it. At first, open the folder, then go to SolidWorks software. Now go to first you are click SolidQuad and click readme and just you are click serial number copy. Now go to setup. Yes. Now you just select individual. Next. Now here click Control B. Now next. Now click again next. Now okay. Install now. Now there are install. We just recording Swiss resume. Okay. Now we are waiting for 100% installing complete. Please do not cancel. 100% complete before our software installing. This software are heavy software, so everyone when this software installing we get enough charge your computer or connect to charge line computer connector. Software installing 87% complete. We need 100% complete. Now 100% complete. You just click finish. Okay. Now go to again SolidQuad and SolidQuad click and SolidWorks 2010-14 activate. Okay, activate. We are waiting for the result. Just wait few seconds. Okay, now SolidWorks Explore 2014, no need, you just delete. Yes, e-drawing, no need, delete, no need, delete. You can delete SolidWorks Composer from display, delete from display. Okay, now go to SolidWorks software, open, software loading. We are waiting for the result. This software heavy software, so need a few minutes for open. No need any click without open. You can just click accept. No need, you just click close. Now go to again file, new. Now there are have a need correction, you just click here, millimeter. Okay, wait for result. This is the first time, so need some minute. Okay, you just click part. Okay, okay, now click here, front plane and sketch. This is no need, you can close. Now you can draw the randomly as well as then if you can want to change the dimension icon millimeter to inch, you can write here, just change millimeter, you can change inch. Everyone select the millimeter standard map measurement. Now you can just again click here. Now open the software. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.